hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So umsele kubiza uMakhumalo because of everything that transpired in the last meeting. Ufile ngathi uMakhumalo ulwa kakhulu and has influenced the other wives uMangwabe noMayeni to fight as well. So umsele kufile ngathi everyone is in a fighting spirit. So it's better akhulume noMakhumalo again, find out what's going on. Athi uMakhumalo kahle yena, she's not fighting, it's just that umnikezile a method that can help keep everyone happy, but Umseleko did not follow that. But Umseleko he was not going to back off on his plan because he had already told abantu bakaduma ukuthi he is going to introduce number 5. So him backing up on the idea was going to seem somehow, so that's why he went ahead with it. But akamngenisanga endlini. Athi uMakhumalo, yes, that has cost you inkinga, and for when to want to bring uMakhwela Mzumbe, it doesn't make sense because you haven't done all the proper channels for her to be coming to Mzumbe. Tina, as amakhosikazi wakho, we had to go through proper channels to be able to come to the homesteads as Mzumbe. But yena kwenzakalani? What's the rush? What's going on? Ngifila ngathi unengqindiza. Uthi uMakhumalo ufila ngathi there's pressure on Umseleko. So probably Umseleko needs to tell number 5 ukuthi, hey, this is what the situation is. The wives are not happy about you. So you need to be like back off a bit because they're not happy. But Umseleko ati, no, she's not the one forcing me. Ati because uMakhumalo, if she keeps on forcing herself on us, then uzogcina vele angamukelekanga. Ati Umseleko, no, she's not the one that's forcing herself on you. I'm the one who's forcing the thing. So athi uMakhumalo, you need to do this properly. Ucathule nje kancane kancane. Mina nginankinga no number 5. Inkinga yami nje, it's the way that you're doing things. Athi Umseleko, hayi uMakhumalo nje uyalwa kakhulu. So athi uMakhumalo, it's not that she's fighting, it's just that Umseleko, if you don't agree with him, then he sees it as a fight. And then bakhuluma ke athi Umseleko does not understand ukuthi uMakhumalo uthini exactly, because uMakhumalo bazwana, like they agreed ukuthi uMakhwela will stay eMzumbe, but manje sekhuluma ngendaba space sub and all that. And then Makhumalo says it's better to have everyone get their own spaces, their own sites, so that in case they are not happy with staying no Makhwela, they can go to their own sites. If everyone goes to their own sites, then it means success on Isthembu, because Isthembu, everyone needs to be in one place. Bahlale naye uMakhwela, but thina sebahamba babe sebahleli naye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.